Hi and welcome to the latest video from A&E Leisure. Here we have the new remote control LCD display handset from E&P Hydraulics. If you're new to the system, you'll see the axle jack on the lowest side is the first one to deploy. Once the Caravan is lifted to the 0 point on the transverse axis, the front corner steadies then deploy. These are linked and will lift the front of the Caravan to achieve level longitudinally. Now the axle jack on the remaining side deploys. You may see final adjustments before the rear corner steadies begin their descent to complete the process. There we go, level in under 2 minutes. Thank you for watching. Please check us out at aeleisure.co.uk. Call us on 01606 973 005.